How to use Mico Widget app complete guide. Want to completely transform your phone's home screen with aesthetic widgets, live wallpapers, custom icons, and animated themes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use the Mico Widget app step by step, so you can create an amazing looking setup on your Android or iPhone. First, download and open the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. According to the official app description, Mico includes customizable widgets, live wallpapers, battery widgets, photo widgets, and home screen themes. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see different sections like widgets, wallpapers, themes, and lock screen customization. Some features are free, while others require premium access. To add a widget, go to the Widgets section and choose the style you want. Mico offers clock widgets, battery widgets, music widgets, photo widgets, animation widgets, and couple widgets. Now tap on any widget design you like. After selecting it, press the Save or Add button. The app may ask for permissions such as photos or widgets access depending on your phone. Next, go back to your phone's home screen. Press and hold on an empty area of the screen, then tap Widgets. Find the Mico app from the widget list and select the widget size you want. Drag it onto your home screen. After placing the widget, tap and hold the widget again if you want to edit it. You can customize photos, colors, animations, themes, and layout styles directly inside the app. Now let's talk about wallpapers and themes. Open the Wallpaper section to browse 4K wallpapers, live wallpapers, depth effect wallpapers, and animated backgrounds. Choose a wallpaper you like and tap Apply. On some devices, the app may guide you through setting it as your home screen or lock screen wallpaper. Mico also supports aesthetic home screen setups with transparent style widgets, animated music players, and custom icon themes. Many users on Reddit use Mico specifically for aesthetic iPhone and Android customization setups. Pro tip: if your widget doesn't update properly, try removing the widget and adding it again after updating the app. Some users reported this fixes refresh problems on both Android and iPhone devices. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Mico Widget app step by step to customize your phone with widgets, live wallpapers, and aesthetic themes. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what customization app you want me to cover next.